Hello YouTube, this is HDD Recovery Services. Today I will show you a video where I will be repairing a USB 3.0 connector consisting of 9 pins instead of traditional 4. So this video is a little different because unlike the 4-pin connector where the headers don't really cover too much real estate on the printed circuit board, this device actually was able to withstand that shock and all of the headers remained intact. So we got lucky, the board didn't get damaged, but the connector itself, as you will see momentarily, got literally split in half. And at the first glimpse it might have even appeared as if nothing really got damaged, but once we've looked at it underneath the microscope, the problem was obvious. It was right there in front of us. So I do have 9-pin connectors in stock at all times, so we just simply remove the old connector and replace it with a new one. If you're interested in seeing how this process was done, you'll see the screen capture shortly. I just wanted to say that if your laptop or if your flash drive just went through some kind of trauma or physical impact type of thing that damaged the connector on it, whether it was plugged into the laptop and laptop fell on the USB key, or if you had it stuck in the USB port and somebody maybe accidentally bumped into it, this is exactly what would need to be done in order to get access to your data again. So if you don't have the tools, if you don't have the time to get this done, check out the description box. You'll find all of our contact details in there. And if you do have any questions regarding the process, feel free to post them in the comments below. In the meantime, enjoy the show. So as you guys could see, we just recovered the entire data set from this flash drive, And unlike many other cases, this customer was extremely pleased with what we were able to provide as a service. So I really hope that you liked the video. So if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel as well if you're interested in data recovery subject. I really thank you guys taking your time of the day to watch this episode, and I hopefully will see you in the next one.